Affiliate marketing has been on a rise since 2020, and there's a lot of people claiming to be making thousands of dollars per week with this tool. Now, is that possible? Yes. And if you're looking for a side hustle that will make you some passive income, welcome to the Cyberimpact channel. My name is Bruna, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, whether you have some marketing experience or not, affiliate marketing is actually a great experience for you if you have the right tools and the right strategy. Now let's get to it and stick around to the end because I'm going to tell you more about our affiliate program that can pay you up to 40% commission. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? It is a performance-based marketing strategy where affiliates promote products or services in exchange for commission. It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1, you join an affiliate program. Then you receive unique tracking links to share with your audience in whatever channel you want to use. Step 2, you share those links with your audience either on social media, email marketing, YouTube. And then step 3, after people make purchases or hire someone or they do a certain specific action that is what the program wants, you receive a commission from those sales. So in the end, the affiliate gets a commission, the vendor gets a sale, and the person, the final audience, purchases something that they wanted or needed. So it works like a cycle, you see? Now, affiliate programs can either have one-time payouts or recurring payouts. When you have one-time payouts, it means that for every sale that is done, you get a commission from it. So if I sell you this microphone, I get the commission for it. But then next month, I need to sell another microphone in order to get the commission again. It happened once and that's it. So every month you have to have new sales happening. With the recurring payouts, it means that you keep getting paid every month according to a certain criteria of that service. Let's say that I purchase a subscription from you, from your affiliate links. For every month that I keep my subscription active, you'll be paid for it. So as long as it's active, you keep getting paid every month a little amount. So you don't have to make new sales every month, but you have to keep them active. Recurring payouts are more common when you have subscriptions, memberships, kind of like Squarespace, Skillshare, and Cyberimpact. The question is now, is it worth being an affiliate marketer? And why should you be one, or why are you interested in being one? First of all, it is a low cost and low risk kind of venture, which makes it ideal for beginners who have no experience with marketing, but who are open and willing to put in the effort and learn about it. You don't have to make huge investments for it. Actually, the idea is that you can finish watching this video and go ahead and start signing up for affiliate programs. Also, the good thing about it is that you don't have to worry about having your own stock, products, and logistics, customer service. Those are the kind of things that when you have, for instance, your own online shop, you have to deal with. There's a lot of things that involve running an online business. Also, there's a huge variety of affiliate programs out there, pretty much covering every industry and niche you can think of. That means if you have very specific interests, you can still find a good affiliate program that will fit your needs. So it can be either fitness, beauty, arts and crafts, insurance. There's affiliate marketing for insurance. Online courses, even digital marketing itself, so many options you can choose from. If you're really interested in something like decor, doesn't really mean that you want to launch a decor brand or have your own store, but you want to share excitement about this topic, and you can do it through affiliate marketing. You share, you create some interesting content, and you get paid for it. I mean, that's just the best. As I said, affiliate marketing can be a great source of passive income, and this can be great for a lot of people if you have a tight schedule, if you already have a full-time gig but you want to increase your revenue, if you're a freelancer, you're just looking for another source of income, if you have a business with a lot of clients, you can also use your affiliate marketing links for them. I'll give some examples when I explain a little bit more about the Cyberimpact affiliate program, which is pretty great for marketing agencies. And overall, affiliate marketing gives you the freedom to work whenever you want, wherever you want. You build your own schedule, you put in the effort you want, and obviously you'll see the results accordingly. Now, if you're convinced that affiliate marketing might be a good option for you, let's talk about what you need to get started on it. The first step is to choose a niche or a topic that you're interested in. Like I said, you can choose beauty, decor, fitness, insurance, houseware. There's a lot of options that you can choose from. My tip for you is to choose something that you're really interested in, because you're going to spend a lot of time going through websites and learning from it and creating content about this topic. The more interested you are, the easier it gets. Now, if your main goal is to have the highest conversion possible and more money, think about how popular the industry or niche you're choosing it is. Because some topics and some industries are just naturally more popular than others, like fitness, beauty. Now, once you have your niche picked out, you can start thinking about the strategy you want to use to share your links. There are many channels that you can use to share your affiliate links. Let me share with you some low cost and free ones that you can use. A classic is having a blog. Many people might think that blogs have been dead since the 2000s, and let me tell you that is not true. So many great bloggers, great writers, creating content on a regular basis, thousands and thousands of views every month. Yes, there are other ways to get many eyes on your content, but blogging is still a very sustainable and owned kind of media, which is different than social media, which are just borrowing space in another platform. So with blogs, you have your own space that you can create long form content and articles to promote your links in the middle of it. You can create guides or lists or opinion pieces, reviews. What you will need to start is to have your own domain and your own hosting services. This is still pretty low cost because buying a domain and a hosting service can be really affordable. Could take some more time because you have to set up your website, your blog. The second option that you can do is using email marketing. Email marketing, you don't need a domain name or a hosting service like a blog. You can set up a free account with Cyberimpact for up to 250 contacts and start sharing your affiliate links. Maybe the best part of using email for affiliate marketing is that you own the data from your subscribers. You have their name, their email addresses, and you can use that with other email marketing tools like automation and segmentation to make sure you have the highest conversion possible. With email, people have already shared their contact with you. You're going straight to their inboxes without accounting for algorithms, for search result pages. So it's a direct line with people who are already interested in your content and what you have to share. Third/fourth channel that you can use to share your links is YouTube and social media. I'm splitting these two and not putting YouTube in the same box as social media because there's a little difference. Yes, YouTube started as a video social media platform. YouTube is the second largest search engine platform in the world today. TikTok is coming for it, but we'll see. YouTube can be a great place, especially if you're doing tutorials, if you're doing reviews, and this varies according to the industry and the niche and your target audience. So do some research before. Think about the other people you see using affiliate marketing links on their profiles, on their content. Think about their strategies for a second. Have a really critical eye when you're watching their content and see the hooks that they use, which platforms they're using, how they're targeting people to go to their links. When it comes to social media, it is obviously a great way to find more people and to reach a broader audience. And you can create content in text form or videos or images. Remember that you don't need a huge following to be a successful affiliate marketer. It's all about the engagement and the conversion rate you have. That means how well and how often you can convince people to click, buy, or do the action you need to qualify for commission on your affiliate program. And the numbers don't lie. Nano influencers or creators and micro influencers or creators have a conversion rate of 5% and 1.5% respectively, whereas macro influencers have a conversion rate of 0.7%. Of course, 0.7 of 1 million is very different than 5% of 1,000. Instead of focusing on follower count, which is a vanity metric, focus on your engagement and your conversion rate. That will give you the results and that will give you the money. You have your topic, your industry, and you have your strategy where you want to post your content. Now you need to join some programs. And like I said, there are several out there. You have Amazon, Sephora, Twitch, Shopify, and of course, the Cyberimpact affiliate program. Let me introduce you to our affiliate program that pays up to 40% commission in a recurring payout model. As a Canadian email marketing software, we're passionate about helping other businesses grow with email online. And our affiliates are businesses and people who share that passion. We started our affiliate program almost a decade ago because we saw that our clients were naturally recommending our services to their clients or to their network. So we said, hey, let's make it official. Let's create an affiliate program. And that's what we did. And when you join our affiliate program, you have some cool benefits, which are free access to a pro account with up to 10,000 subscribers. You have a dedicated dedicated account manager to help you with any questions or any doubts you might have, and even with some strategies to keep growing your affiliate list. Also, you get personalized customer support from our team and access to the Affiliate Academy, which is a database of classes and videos that will help you build your strategy to promote your links online. You also get access to the dashboard where you see all the referrals you've made, their account status, so you can truly see the results of your affiliate marketing strategy and keep track of your current and future payouts. And we use a recurring payout model. That means you get paid every month, which is a great source of income for someone or a business. Our commissions start at 25% and go up to 40% based on the average monthly income you get from our referrals. Remember that I mentioned something about marketing agencies? So yeah, those clients that were recommending us like 10 years ago, they were marketing agencies that had to provide email marketing services for their clients. As a Cyberimpact partner, you can use your affiliate links to create the accounts for your clients. You get your commission from being an affiliate and generating those accounts, and you get paid from your clients to do email marketing. So you get an extra source of income to help you keep your business running, and you also get the peace of mind of using one tool that you already like and you're familiar with all your clients, making your life so much easier and save you time. All the information about the program and the details is also available in the description box below, as well as the link for signing up if you're interested. Moving on to the next step, now that you have chosen the program or programs that you want to use, and yes, I do recommend that you sign up for more than one program, you need to start putting your content out there because you need people to click on your links. Pro tip that I have for you, and it's very simple, but it'll save you a lot of time, creating notes on your phone or a doc file that you can easily access anywhere with all the major links that you might use. So if you have a bunch of programs out there and then you're talking to someone like, I use Cyberimpact, it's really good, you should try it out, and say like, oh, okay, let me check it out. Wait, I have a link for you. And then you have easy access to all the links. This will save you a lot of time and maybe even increase your conversion rate. You can also add them to your social media channels like your link in bio or your video descriptions like we just did, in content blocks on your newsletter or your website or blog. The key elements of affiliate marketing are traffic and conversion. The higher the traffic, the bigger the chances of having conversion. At the same time, it's not enough to just have traffic, because it is the clicks and the purchase that will make your affiliate marketing business profitable. Remember when I said that affiliate marketing doesn't take a lot of your time and a lot of effort? It really depends on what you want to do. Well, that is because when you have a consistent posting schedule and a strong strategy, you don't have to share new links every day. And you can also use different channels to support one another. So if you have a blog or a website, you can use social media to promote those long form contents. You can use Pinterest to share, or you can use that blog post to create smaller posts that will go into your social media or YouTube. It's all about optimizing your time and making sure that you're putting in the highest quality effort. You have to work smarter and not harder. Before we end this, here's a roundup of the main tips you need to keep in mind to be successful as an affiliate marketer. Diversify your income streams by signing up to multiple affiliate programs and promoting not just one product or service. Do some research, find the best ones for you. It doesn't mean you have to do a lot of different industries and niches. You can stay in the same niche but use different programs. Just make sure that your income is not relying on solely one program. Stay consistent with your content creation and posting schedule. You might need a bigger volume of content at first to make sure that your links are getting out there and people are reaching it. But with time, as you stay consistent creating and sharing content and your links, this database of content you have will continue to push your links throughout a longer period of time, especially if you're using something that has a bigger lifespan like blog posts or email and YouTube videos. In the end, what you need is great content with good hooks that will keep people interested and engaged with what you're saying. Keep your copywriting skills on point and keep practicing, because even if you're not doing huge articles or blog posts, knowing how to write and not just being salesy, but knowing how to talk to people the way they want to be spoken to, it's a high level skill. People don't give it enough credit. It's about knowing how to communicate and not just assuming what people want to hear, but actually understanding how people communicate and what resonates with one another. Finally, the last tip that you have to keep in mind is to monitor your metric. This doesn't mean you have to be a huge analytics and statistic genius and know the graphs and everything, but you do need to understand what those numbers mean to you to make sure that your campaigns are being successful. If sharing the links the way that you're sharing them is actually working, if people are clicking, if they're not, what can you do to change that? Spend some time learning how to make sense of them according to your strategy. Understanding your metrics is the best way to keep improving your affiliate marketing strategy. And that's all you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing. See, it wasn't so bad. Now, when you're ready to start, remember that you have two options here with Cyberimpact. You can either sign up for a free account up to 250 contacts and start using email marketing as a channel to promote your affiliate links, or you can sign up to become a Cyberimpact partner. That means you join the Cyberimpact affiliate program, earning commissions from 25% up to 40%. Both links to sign up for both kinds of accounts are on the description box below, and there's a link over here too. Once again, this is a Cyberimpact channel. My name's Bruna, and I'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, happy emailing.